This is the new Itel BudsGo. With an AI translator, you can translate people's words to your preferred language in real time. Itel finally cracked the code between affordability and good sound quality. If you're on a tight budget, or maybe you have between 11,000 naira to 14,000 naira with you, and you need something that is good with the bass, at the same time, something you can use for calls, clear calls. Welcome back to All Around the View. My name is Mr. Roy. If you check Jumia as of today, you might actually grab this for as low as 11,800 naira. For what this earbuds pack, for that price, it is honestly ridiculous. If you're on a tight budget but need something smart, you have to watch this video till the end. Now let's talk about how this look and feel. The charging case has this smooth pebble-like shape that just disappear into your pocket. You won't get that annoying bulge when you're wearing jeans, and the hinge have this satisfying snap when you close it. Though the case is prone to scratches, you'll see the Itel logo at the front and a tiny LED indicator below it, while the USB-C charging port is at the bottom. The case is so small it will fit into your palm. When you take the earbuds out, they have a nice glossy finish that catches the light and makes them look way more premium than their price tag. They give you a few color options too, like blue haze, creamy white and Haida black. But honestly, the best thing about the design is how they fit in. Each earbuds weigh barely 4.1 grams. I am not exaggerating when I say you're going to forget this after wearing it for a few minutes. And at the same time, you don't get that extra pressure or ear fatigue you do get from cheap earphones. As for the touch controls, they are pretty straightforward. Double tapping either earbud handles your play, pause and answering or ending calls. If you want to reject a call, just tap and hold either side for 2 seconds. For your music, a triple tap on the right skips to the next track, though keep in mind that you can't skip backward. A triple tap on the left toggles game mode. Finally, pressing and holding the left earbud for 2 seconds wakes up your voice assistant, while doing the same on the right cycles through your EQ modes. Let's talk about the sound quality. The Itel BudsGo comes with a massive 13mm dynamic drivers inside, and let me tell you straight up, these are built for bass lovers. If your playlist is packed with Afrobeats, Amapiano or AV hip hop, these earbuds are up to the task. Just forget about the price for now. The bass is thick and punchy, but it doesn't just swallow up the vocals. You can still hear the artist clearly, and watching YouTube videos or listening to podcasts sounds great. But look, I have to be completely honest with you guys because it's not all about the perfect side. For a budget device, they had to cut some corners, and there are a few things that actually frustrates me a lot. First off, these are not supported by the Itel Sound app. That means whatever you are getting is out of the box. You are pretty not able to customize anything with the Itel Sound app. Now they do advertise 3 different listening modes. We have the classic mode, special mode and super bass. But let me save you this choice or the trouble. When you switch between different modes, you honestly won't notice any difference in the sound quality. It just sounds the same. There are a few other annoying hardware choices too. There is no way to control the volume from the earbuds. You have to pull out your phone every time you want to turn up your music or turn down the volume of your music. There are no LED indicator on the buds themselves, so you have no visual way to check your battery stats. And maybe the biggest letdown for me is if this earbud happens to turn off while you are wearing them, you cannot just tap it and turn it back on. You physically need to have the charging case with you, drop them back inside and take them out again to power them up. If you leave the case at home and they turn off, you are completely out of the zone. Despite those headaches, there is one major feature that completely surprised me, and it is the main reason this earbud stands out from the crowd. The Itel BudsGo features AI-powered eye translation. Yes, yeah, that's right. This earbud link up with iTranslate app on your phone to give you live translation right in your ear. Imagine you meet someone who speaks a completely different language, or you're watching a video, you're in a meeting, anywhere, and you need a quick translation to whatever you're hearing. You can use these earbuds to break that language barrier on the spot. The app picks the speech and feeds the translation straight to you. It works surprisingly fast and it is incredibly useful. To find this kind of technology on an earbud that costs less than 14,000 naira is It's just wild. Of course, you still need to make regular phone calls, right? And Itel has that covered. The BudsGo comes with ENC, which is environmental noise cancellation. To keep all this running, the battery life is very solid. The charging case has 350 mAh capacity, while the earbuds are 30 mAh each. It takes around 2 hours to fully charge. Blinking green light indicates it's charging. If white light flashes 4 times, it indicates low battery. And lastly, static green light means it's fully charged. You get up to 24 hours of total playtime when you add the power from the charging case. For a normal user, that means you can go days before even you need to look for a charger. And when it comes to connecting your phone, it is fast and stable because it uses Bluetooth 6.0. The pairing process takes seconds, and once you are connected, it stays connected without a random dropout. So what is the final verdict of the Itel BudsGo? At around 11,800 Naira on Jumia and up to 14,000 Naira in physical stores, these are a steal if you know what you are getting into. Yes, they lack volume controls and app support. It can be very annoying, and the sound modes are basically not working. But if you can look past all those, you are really getting something good for yourself. Something with AV base, clear phone calls with ENC, battery that lasts all day, and real-time translation that most people don't even know about. At this price point, I think it's a steal. And if you want a maximum value for your money, I highly recommend picking this up. And that's the full review of the Itel BudsGo. Do you know that they can support us at no extra cost to you? So all you have to do is just like, comment and subscribe. You can also share this video if you want. That's if you want more honest and straightforward reviews like this. My name is Mr. Roy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.